Hi there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here in the Fontana, Williams Bay area doing an estimate for a roof clean and a siding wash. The way we go about getting your siding cleaned is applying a gentle algicide cleaner. It melts away any mold, mildew, spider webs, and then it breaks down any dead bug guts. And after all that's changed color and disappeared, we'll rinse it away with 9 gallons a minute at no more pressure than a garden hose. Super efficient process for the siding wash. Now, something to keep in mind, the sun UV rays have beaten out a lot of the color out of your siding. You can see the color contrast under your awning here. Kind of hard to see in some places, but the service does not include oxidation removal. You can kind of see the difference in here. You see how it's lighter in this area here, darker here, lighter and darker. So that's what the sun does over time. The really only way to get that taken care of is to just wash it really good and repaint it. Because if you were to hire me to remove all that oxidation, it doesn't really last that long. So it's not worth paying me to do it. But we're going to get it really cleaned and prepped for you to just enjoy a clean house or go ahead and paint it. When it comes to the shingles, we don't want to power wash it or scrub it, but we do want to apply a chemical on there to kill it. Once that chemical is on there, it's actually going to look worse before it gets better. It'll turn yellow and white. That means it's dead. You can see this big chunk of moss right in here. So that'll turn yellow and white, and all the black streaking on your roof will be gone the same day of service. And that's the maintenance. Now, if you look at our roof packages down below, you'll see that a roof cleaning does include a full roof tune-up. So if we see any nails or loose shingles, we're going to go ahead and seal those up. And we'll put up a new rubber gasket around all your soil pipes that come out of, it's a PVC pipe that comes out of your shingles. So that's an extra service that we do as Multi-Man Services to make, if you're going to put money and life into your roof, then we want to make sure that it's tuned up and it's not going to leak. So after we've done those two services, we do suggest a conditioning treatment from Roofmax. We are the certified dealer in the area to help you extend the life of your roof by applying a conditioning treatment. So take a look at this quick informational video that explains why maintenance on your roof today can be more affordable than the price tag of a brand new roof and having all your shingles torn off. You're nowhere near a new roof yet, but being proactive about your maintenance now like you would your deck or your driveway goes a long way. My name is Eddie. Any questions you have, call or text my cell 815-520-6020. Thank you.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roofmax, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Roofmax, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Roofmax's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Roofmax's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Roofmax's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Roofmax had absolutely no damage.
So a Roofmax roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with Roofmax. Call